Hey guys, is it okay? I just need to mention something. Hang on, let me put down the camera a little bit. I actually know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is gonna be one take, and I'm not going to reverse it, or well, I don't even know how to do those CGI things. But one take. I don't care how long it is gonna take. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take under five minutes. I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna solve it in 3, 2, 1. Just boom. I think that was under a minute. Wow. Hang on, I might need to time that. Boom.